Hi.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Actually, my terminal printer is not printing properly. How can I fix this?
Try these steps. First, check that the paper roll is loaded correctly. Second, restart the device by turning it off, waiting 10 seconds, and then turning it on again. Can you check if the issue is resolved now? Yes or no?
I have checked it, but it is not resolved yet.
Alright, let me generate a field ticket for you. Your field ticket is generated with the number 74D9B3A. Our team will get in touch to assist further. Thanks for your patience.
Okay. And I have another one issue is, I want help regarding merchant referral. Can you guide me?
Absolutely. I can help with that. Could you please provide me the merchant's name, their mobile number, the city they are in, and the PIN code?
Yeah, the merchant name is Fluid AI, and it is located in Mumbai. The PIN code is 400013, and the mobile number is 987-654-3210.
Got it. Let me confirm the details with you. Merchant name is Fluid AI. City is Mumbai. PIN code is 400013, and mobile number is 987-654-3210. Does everything look correct?
Yeah, everything looks correct.
Thank you for confirming the details. Our team will now process this merchant referral. Thank you for the information.
Okay.